Hello, my dear students from 6th grade. This is Mrs. NJ Ahmed, math teacher from Taqwiyah. We're gonna learn area of the circle. But before this, check this track here. This is the circular track, okay? We have Adam. He ran around this track. He made only one turn. Then he met his sister Noor. He asked her, "What do you think, Noor? What is the distance that I ran around this track? I don't know, I need to measure it." So Noor started to explain to him that this distance that he ran around the track is like perimeter. But in this case, as we have a circular track, so it's called circumference. So what is the circumference of the track that Adam ran around? It is exactly the circumference of a circle. Okay. Today we're going to learn the area of the circle, yes, but before this we need to revise and remember the circumference of the circle. What is the circumference of the circle and its formula? As we mentioned, circumference is the distance around the circle. Remember the circle. The circle having very important concept, which called the radius, that we need to know before drawing any circle. What is a radius? It is a line segment joining the center of the circle and any point on the circle. Remember also the diameter. Diameter is equal to double of the radius. So diameter is equal to 2 multiply radius. Okay, now what is the formula of the circumference of a circle? It's equal to 2 by r, or we can remove this 2r, which is 2 multiply r, and put instead diameter. So it can be also by d. Remember, the by, it's a constant, equals to 3.14 or 22/7. Now, what is the area of the circle and its formula? Here is a circle, and this is the circumference, which is the distance around it. The area of the circle is the space occupied by the circle in a two-dimensional plane. So, check this circle here. This is here the area of the circle. It is the inside place. What is the formula of the area of the circle? It's equal to by multiply radius squared. Multiply radius squared, which means that it's going to be the constant by multiply radius again. Focus and differentiate. The circumference and the area of the circle. We have the circumference by multiply 2r, so we need to get the double of the radius of the circle, then multiply it by the constant by. But when we find the area of the circle, we need to get the squared number of the radius, multiply the radius by itself one time, then multiply the result by the constant by. Now, let's check on our understanding by answering some simple questions. Choose the correct answer. The area of a circle. Is it by r, by radius power 2, 2 by r, or 2 by radius power 2? Yes, of course, it's by radius squared. The circumference of the circle. By r, 2 by r squared, or 2 by r squared. Yes, remember it's double radius, then multiplied by, so it's gonna be 2 by r. Now calculate a circle with a radius length 1 centimeter, then its area equals to what centimeter squared? First, put the rule. Area equals to by radius power 2. So, put by, then multiply it with the radius length, which is 1 power 2. It's gonna be equals to 1 multiplied by, so the final answer is gonna be by. The area of the circle whose diameter length equals to 8. First of all, we need to calculate the radius of the diameter before measuring the area, calculating the area. So, we need to get the radius. Radius equals to diameter divided 2, which is equal to 8 divided 2 equals to 4 centimeters. Now, put the rule. Area equals by radius power 2, so it's gonna be by multiply 4 power 2. In this case, he wanted the final answer of the area in terms of pi. So we are not going to substitute with pi with any of its values. We are going to keep pi as in the example and just calculate 4 power 2, which is equal to 16. And that's it. Thank you for listening to me. See you next video. Bye.